Assalamu alaikum. Good morning. Welcome back to my channel once again. For Hindi videos, you can subscribe my Hindi channel. Hindi channel link is in description. Currently, gold prices are trading almost $1,820. It is trading almost $1 up since last Friday's closing. So nothing changed much over the weekend. So nothing to discuss about. Let's quickly have a look at resistance and support. 1804 will act as support today. Let me change the chart to hour. 1804 will act as support. If market break 1804 and manage to sustain below that level, then expect gold prices to test up to $1,800 and even $1,790 is also possible. And where is the resistance I have given? And okay, let me post that resistance. Okay, 1828 will act as resistance. If market break 1828 and sustain above that level, then expect 1840 and even $1,850 is also possible. Currently, gold is continuing its Friday's trend, which is positive, so trade accordingly. Do not trade against the trend, and Mcx level are given at the end of the video. Let's move on to silver. This is silver chart. Silver is trading almost 0.5% up. Finally, it is starting to overpower and overperform than gold. Currently set at $24.26. It is also trading in positive zone. So let's have a look at resistance and support. 2398 will act as support today. If market break 2398 and sustain below that level, then expect 2370 and even 2350. Resistance at 2455. If market break 2455 and sustain above that level, then expect silver prices to test up to 2480 and even $25 is also possible. Currently, silver and gold both are trading in positive zone, so trade accordingly. Let's move on to crude oil prices. This is crude oil. It tested around 77.50 last week, but finally it managed to catch up and didn't go into weak zone. I have posted weekly analysis on my channel. You can check weekly analysis. You should do it before starting the trade of this week. I have also given weekly analysis video link in description. You can check that out as well. Currently it is trading 81.30. It is still trading in positive zone after the recovery. So let's have a look at resistance and support now. 79.80 will act as support. If market breaks 79.80 and sustain below that level, then expect crude oil prices to test up to 79.50 and even $79 is also possible. Above 82.20, expect $83 and even $84. Currently, gold, silver, crude oil, all three commodities are in positive zone, so trade accordingly. Let's move on to euro. Finally, euro recovered from almost 1500 to 1560 now. Currently, it is trading in positive zone. So let's have a look at resistance and support now. 1520 will act as support today. If market break 1520 and sustain below that level, then expect euro to test up to 1500 and even 1490 is also possible. 1590 will act as resistance today. Above 1590, expect 1620 and even 1650 is also possible. Currently, euro is also in positive zone, so trade accordingly. Let's move on to pound. This is pound, currently trading 34.80. It has also entered in positive zone. So let's have a look at resistance and support. Then we will see Bitcoin and Mcx levels. 3440 will act as support today in pound. If market break 3440 and sustain below that level, then expect 3400 in pound. 3520 will act as resistance. Above 3520, expect 3580, and even 3620 is also possible. Currently, Bitcoin is trading in positive zone, so trade accordingly. Let's move on to Bitcoin, then we will see Mcx levels. These are the levels I have given last week. Currently, Bitcoin is trading $65,000, and I think it is a lifetime high for Bitcoin. So let's have a look at resistance and support. 62,900 will act as support here. The support is almost $2,500 down. If market breaks 62,900, then we will see some crash in Bitcoin up to 61,000 and 60,000. Resistance at $66,100. Above 66,100, expect it 67,000 and even $68,000 is also possible. Currently, as you can see, Bitcoin is in positive zone, so trade accordingly. Let's move on to Mcx levels now. Mcx Gold Support at $47,900, 47,900 Gold Support. Resistance at 48,250, 48,250 Mcx Gold Resistance. Please note it down. Silver is trading 64,820. Silver support at $64,100, 64,100 support है. Resistance at 65,600 rupees. 65,600 resistance है. I will revise MCX level at 5 p.m. once USD INR is closed. So make sure you click join button to view 5 p.m. levels in MCX. Now I will see you in my live stream, which I do before US market open. Live streaming link in description, channel link in description. You can tune for live stream for your question. You can also subscribe the channel, click bell icon and click all notifications so you don't miss any video. Also follow me on Twitter, Telegram. So whenever the latest data come, I usually update first on Telegram and Twitter. Of course, if you want to avail my paid buy and sell signal, you can send me a message on WhatsApp. Number is in description. I will see you in evening in live stream. Till then, take care. Bye bye.